press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for our latest tips and tricks for free. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to remove another Google account from the Google Play Store. Right now, if I go to my Play Store and if I tap on this option here, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts in my Google Play Store. Now if you want to remove any of these accounts from the Google Play Store, let us see how to do it. For that one, we will go to this settings here. We will scroll down and go to cloud and account. We will go to accounts. We will go to Google, and if you see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts which I have in my Android device. Now if I want to remove any of the account from the Google Play Store, I have to remove it from here. For example, if I want to remove this account, I will tap on it. I will tap on this menu option here and then remove account and select remove account. You can see the Google account has been removed. I have only 3 now. So again, I will go to Play Store. I will tap on this options here. I will go to this button, and if you see now, I have only 1, 2, 3 accounts in my Play Store. So this is how you will remove a Google account from the Play Store if you have more than one. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.